You've heard this 1,000 times. As you go faster, your mass increases. Today, I'm pressing the big red button on that idea. Hard reset. Imagine a ship wrapped in a perfect shell, a closed, constant energy system that doesn't trade energy with gravity at all. Matter here, curvature there. 2 layers, no exchange. If that's true, the old link between energy, mass, and space-time, the one Einstein used to glue matter to curvature, gets cut for this ship. Not everywhere, not for everything, but for this shell. So what falls first? The concept of relativistic mass. In school, we're told EMC2 means mass is bottled energy, and as your kinetic energy grows, your relativistic mass grows. But if the shell's energy is fixed and sealed, there's nothing to add to mass from outside. No energy exchange with the gravitational field, no mass creep. Push that further. If there's no exchange with the local 9.8 ms2 slope, the ship doesn't feel weight. No inertia from the field's perspective. Motion changes path, sure, but not because the ship is trading energy with the curvature. Now gravity becomes a static background, a shape in space, not a siphon of energy. The Earth makes a dip in the grid. The ship slides the geometry, but never pays a toll. Think of a laser through a lens. The path bends, but the light doesn't suddenly weigh more inside the glass. Here's the wild part. Conservation of shell integrity. If the hull's energy stays constant, it carries its own rules inside, like a portable universe. Close the system, lock the books. Then hovering at 100 feet, after the shell forms, zero ongoing work, not levitating against gravity, just declining the invitation to interact with it. So where does EHMC2 go? Nowhere. It becomes local. It accurately counts energy inside the ship and inside the Earth, but not between them, because between got severed by shell continuity. That's the ghost in the machine. The ship occupies space, but it ignores the messages gravity broadcasts to ordinary matter. It doesn't fall, it doesn't drag, it doesn't gain relativistic mass. It just traces geometry as a distinct thing. If this decoupling is possible, propulsion doesn't push on space. It opts out of the contract. No thrust against mass, no fuel to hold altitude. Speed becomes a question of geometry, not resistance. Big caveat, this is speculative. Physics as we practice it demands exchange, momentum, energy, curvature. Let's map a radical idea. Travel along the space-like axis instead of the time-like path. Standard objects climb time. E equals mc squared keeps them coupled, dragging them forward. Our ship rides the horizontal slice, the space-like axis, decoupled from that trap. Near 93,000 miles per second, gravity interaction builds mass drag. The path bows toward time. Einsteinian curvature, pulling motion back into time-like. The faster you go, the stronger the coupling. Inertia and gravity compound the bend. Unless the ship refuses to bend at all, enter the unchanging shell, geometry that won't deform under interaction. It occupies coordinate A, then instantly re-indexes to coordinate B. No in-between, no curve. No meeting gravity along the way. Continuous travel invites drag. Discrete occupation dodges it. To the outside, it's instant remapping. Address updated, journey skipped. Treat C as coordinates, not speed. Velocity squared drops from relevance. You aren't accelerating, you're relocating. No V, no buildup of inertial penalties. Inside the local field frame, Earth's 9.8 slope is nulled by the shell, a geometric insulator. The field can't couple, so mass drag never spins up. Make the ship a static value locally. Let the universe move around it. Gravity only slows you if you stay coupled. Break the link. and C reverts to a position constant. Hyperjump isn't speed, it's address logic. Update the map, outpace the drag.